That's Jolly.
Hello.
Turn right. Then, your destination will be on the right.
Where is the turn right?
Normally, they don't spy to people. They spy among them, yes.
They don't speak to people.
But this one is with the white face.
Mm-hmm.
This is Jolly. Jolly, and in the back, this is Dodo.
That's the two boys.
Two boys.
Two whites, okay.
Yeah, two boys. And these are the two women.
Okay.
And the girl.
And this is the boy too.
And now they want to eat as much as possible because mostly they have hay. Hay
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, okay. They want to eat the fresh grass.
You can take the animal, the rope. You
Oh.
take like this.
Mm.
You don't take like this.
Okay.
You don't.
Okay.
Nee, doe het niet meer. Doe het niet haar. Die andere durven. Yes, not like this,
Okay.
but like this.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
And you can, if they don't walk so well with you, then you take it a bit shorter, like
Okay.
this. And when they walk well with you, then you can leave like a meter.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Depends.
Sure,
He
sure.
likes to maybe to smell.
Okay.
Huh? They don't like too much to be touched
Okay. Okay.
because they're not like
Yeah.
they're still wild.
Okay. That's
Huh?
true.
That's Jolly.
Hello.
In the herd.
Yeah. Okay.
Who's the chief?
Chief. Okay.
Leo.
You can take Leo, the small one,
Okay.
and his mother. Okay?
Okay. Sure.
Zwei, so Anna. Nee.
I put the people, maybe the
Aha.
woman likes to take the small one.
This one is Viva.
Nice walk. Yeah. Don't let it go. Yeah.
And they go fast.
Oh yeah. Good technique, yeah. So, yeah. Do they kick? Do they kick?
A little, but it doesn't hurt.
Okay, okay.
But you try to be before, in front of the animal.
Yeah, go to the side.
When you can't hold it, you just leave it go.
Yeah.
Otherwise you can make like this.
Turn around. Okay.
Take it a bit
Closer?
closer. Huh?
Okay. You can catch it even if they run away from here. Yeah, okay, good.
They, as long as she is here,
Mm-hmm.
the others they stay as well.
Oh,
They
the
don't go too far.
That-
She's like the
chief. Okay. Oh, that's nice. They are chasing me. Oops. Very muddy. Oh yeah, look. Are you enjoying now? Good. How about you, Rohit?
I'm also enjoying.
Okay. Oh, there are many times.
Bern is over there. There is that Ulmix Tower.
Chester, yeah.
You see.
Yeah.
So come.
And the Lamas? What's their names?
Leo.
Which one is Leo?
That one is Leo.
Okay, what about the other one you are holding? Eh?
Mira.
Mira.
Yeah.
I'm the chief, not the llama.
Oops. It's a bit muddy, okay? Now you can go back to the road.
Muddy.
Yeah. All right. No running. Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
A little bit of sunlight seeping through some cloud, and you can see the little town, so beautiful now. We're walking from there. Okay.
That's what I wanted. Whatever it is, more time, more guys.
Okay, walk on that way. Hello. Oops, not that way.
And they eat only hay and grass the whole year.
Is it?
Yeah.
So you have the land where you grow these
Yes.
grass for them
Yes.
to make
It's
the
around the house.
around the house.
Yes.
Okay,
Mostly.
okay.
And then we let the animals as well on
Eat
the,
as much. Okay,
on the ground.
okay. Oops. Okay, we are on the way back. Return route. Oh, look.
What?
Happy?
Yeah.
Mommy is tussling with that one.
Then return. And the other way, sons, you go. Oh! Huh?
Yeah.
This one we made also.